Hello everyone, and welcome to my channel. In this video, I will explain how to reset Chrome browser to factory settings. If you are having problems with the Chrome browser, settings, or extensions, resetting the Chrome browser will be a solution to these problems. Also, resetting the browser will solve slow performance for you. Or if you want to remove unwanted extensions, or protect your privacy by clearing your browsing data. And you should know when you reset Chrome, it returns the browser to its default settings, removes all extensions and themes, and clears browsing history, cookies, and other data. The good thing is that the reset eliminates the need to reinstall the Chrome browser. To reset the Chrome browser, first open the browser. Then type Chrome//settings in the address bar, and click the Enter button. Then, click Reset and Clean on the sidebar. After that, click on the option Restore Settings to Original Defaults. Then click on the Reset Settings button. Finally, restart your Chrome browser. This method will restore the settings to defaults, disable all installed extensions and themes, reset the startup page, new tab page, search engine, and content settings, and clear temporary data such as cookies and site data. But it will not delete your bookmarks, history, and saved passwords. But if you want a complete factory reset and your browser will be new again, open the Run box. Keep in mind that the next step will remove all Chrome profiles. Please keep this in mind, and back up any important information, especially if the data is not synced to your Google account. Write the path that appears in front of you on the screen, in the Run box. Then press the OK button. This is where Chrome saves all files related to user settings, extensions, and browsing history. Then delete the user data folder. After deleting the folder, close the File Explorer window and restart your computer. Then launch Chrome browser after restart, and you should see the welcome screen. Sign into your Google account, and the browser should automatically sync data such as your bookmarks, extensions, and history. I hope the video is useful to you, and thank you for watching, and I also hope to subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.